you're experiencing FPS drops while playing Roblox, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow these steps to optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Roblox. This includes having a compatible operating system, sufficient RAM, and a decent graphics card. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. Open Roblox and go to the settings menu. Lower the graphics quality settings to reduce the strain on your system. You can start by setting it to low or medium and see if that improves performance. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching Roblox, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve FPS. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer to download and install the latest drivers, which can enhance performance and stability. Step 5. Optimize internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for online gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, and ensure no other devices are consuming bandwidth while you play Roblox. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Roblox gaming experience. Enjoy your time in the game.